Hello everybody, my name is Rhody. Welcome to this channel. I am so happy to bring you this video. Basically, it's about these pizzas that I found in the grocery store. I don't know what where do you do your groceries, but in my case I went to Walmart and I found these pizzas. They look so yummy. So they are all different flavors. I usually don't buy meals that are ready. I don't do that, but in this case even my husband was excited with this, so let's do that, you guys. Let's just make them. I'm gonna find out the ingredients for this one. It says spicy wolverine pie. Basically has pepperoni made with pork, chicken, beef, and chorizo and bacon. This is a meat lovers pizza, so it's gonna be good. I think that my husband is gonna like this one. This is a chimichurri pizza. I don't know what that means. Let me see. It says chimichanga inspired pizza. Okay, it looks like more Mexican, I think. Topped with a spicy cumin sauce. Sounds good. Beef pizza topping. I love it. Jalapeno, cheddar, mozzarella cheese. For those who love the spicy things, I think this one is gonna be your pizza. All right, let's see the next one. It says maximum pep. This is full of pepperoni. I think this is gonna be my favorite. I don't know. It says slice and dice pepperoni made with pork, chicken, and beef. So let's find out if this one is gonna be my favorite. I think it's gonna be the one for me. And the last one, it says the RHODE'S special is with pineapple and black olives. I know Italian people, they will be so disappointed with this pizza because this one has pineapple, and Italians, they don't use pineapple at all with the pizza, but let's just try them, you guys. I think they are gonna be amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you like pizza, if you buy these kind of pizzas that are ready, they are frozen, and you just have to put it in the oven for at least 15 to 20 minutes and they will be ready. If you like pizza, if you're a pizza lover, let me know in the comments below what kind of pizza is your favorite. Usually the instructions for these pizzas are in the back. As you can see over here, it says that the first step is to preheat the oven 425 Fahrenheit. This is more or less 250 Celsius. So the second step is just to open the pizza, take the wrapping off, and then placing the pizza in the oven for 17 minutes. I think all of them, they have different timing. You need to make sure that you are giving the proper time. I believe with 20 minutes it's gonna be great and perfect. It's gonna depend on your oven as well. Let me know if you like these kind of pizzas, you guys, because I usually don't buy it. I don't buy them. I prepare my own pizza. If you want me to show you how to make your pizzas from scratch, let me know in the comments below and I will be so glad to make the pizza for you guys, because I love pizza and I know you love it too. All right, so let's go with the first one. I think since pepperoni is my favorite, or I think it's gonna be my favorite, let's just try this one first, okay? This looks really nice. I think the pepperoni needs to be arranged a little bit different. we can do that before placing in the oven, but it looks like a medium pizza, so it looks perfect. Let's just open it. Let's take this plastic off and let's just arrange the pepperoni. Now let's take this to the oven approximately for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna reheat the oven first and then I'm gonna place it inside. Okay, the second one I'm gonna open is this one that says the RHODE'S special is with pineapple and black olives. Let's do the same process. I'm just gonna open it, unwrap it, and put it in. So these are the two first ones that I'm gonna put in the oven. By the way, you guys, do you know that olives are one of the most delicious ingredients, and many pizzerias they charge you extra for the olives. Okay, so let's try this too. This gonna be the first ones, so let's go bake them. Okay everybody, these pizzas are ready. As you can see, they are golden brown. They are looking so good. Both of them, they look so yummy. I love the pepperoni though. I love how it looks. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments below which one of these is your favorite so far. So let's just put them in the cutting board and let's cut a slide just to try them. Okay, everybody, let's unbox the last two that we have here to see how they are. This is the gimme chimmy, and this one is the spicy wolvie pie. Let's see how they look. All right, let's go with this one. Wow. Wow. Okay, everybody, look how they look. They look so pretty. This one, it has an advantage because I don't need to arrange anything here, as you can see, but in this one, I need to arrange the pepperoni a little bit better because they are all over the place. Let's just take these little ones and put them in place just like that. It looks really good. So let's take these two to the oven. 18 minutes is gonna be perfect for them. 425 Fahrenheit. So my oven is ready. Let's take them in. Meanwhile, the other two are in the oven. Let's just try these two. They were the first one we prepared, so they are ready to go. It's good to let them rest for at least 5 or 10 minutes so they won't be so hot. Let's just try them out. You can cut any shape for your pizza. Wow, look how this pizza slide is looking, you guys. It's looking so yummy, so good. We're gonna rate these pizzas from 1 to 5 according to the flavor, according to the dough, and according to the ingredients. I'm gonna allow my husband to rate them, okay? It's really yummy, right?
Really good.
Okay, from 1 to 5, how would you rate the flavor for the pepperoni? From 1 to 5, flavor for this one?
Above average. Not like the regular frozen pizza that you get at the supermarket.
Okay, so that's good. From 1 to 5 will be?
I will give a 4 for the ingredients, a 4 for the dough, and 4 for the flavor because it is above average of those that you get frozen at the supermarket.
All right, so this one got 12 points out of 15. That's perfect. Okay. Surprisingly good. So how is this?
I would say that I like it more than the pepperoni one. The sweetness of the pineapple is surprisingly good. So wow, I was expecting less, but it surprised me. If I could compare it against the pepperoni, I would say 4.5.
4.5 for flavor?
For flavor, dough, and ingredient.
The same. Oh.
4.5. So it's
That's
a little bit
good.
better than the pepperoni. So
all right.
if you ask me between pepperoni or the pineapple, I will go for the pineapple one, surprisingly.
So we're talking about that this is 13.5 out of 15. So it's getting better, right? Okay, you guys, these two are the last ones that we have. This is the chimichanga and this is the spicy wolvie pie. And I think they both look amazing. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Let me know in the comments below. Also, please, from what city or country are you watching us? So thank you for subscribing also to our channel. Please share this video to someone that would like to know about these amazing pizzas that they taste so good so far. Okay, so let's try these both. This one is the chimichanga, this one is the wolvie pie. So let's try them both. They look so amazing. Okay, so my husband is gonna try this one. How good it is, the meat lovers one. This is the Wolby pie. He needs a second bite. All right.
I like it less than the pepperoni one. So I will
Really?
give it a 3 out of 5.
Wow. For all of the categories, for the dough, for the ingredients, and for the flavor.
I will give 3 to the ingredients.
Okay.
I could give 4 to the dough,
To the dough. Okay, that's 7.
and I will give 3.5 to the flavor.
Okay, so we have 10.5 out of 15. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna try the chimichanga one. My dear husband, come on, try it on to see how good it is.
Honestly, I thought it would have been more special,
Really?
but it's not that special, at least to me. Surprisingly, I will give 4.5 to the dough because it is more spongy. Like, I like it that way. Some people may think differently, but I like if it's more spongy, I like it better than the other ones. I will give to the ingredients the 3.5.
Okay, so what about the flavor and the ingredients for this one?
I will give 3.5 and 3.
Okay, 3.5 for the flavor.
Yes.
And 3 for the ingredients.
Yes.
All right, this one has 11 points out of 15, you guys. And I think the winner is clear. That is the pineapple one that I have over here, you guys. This was the winner. This was the number 1. The number 2 was pepperoni. The number 3 is gonna be this one, the chimichanga, and number 4 is the Wolby pie. Oh my goodness, you guys, this has been so fun and so amazing just to try them on so you can enjoy. These pizzas are so good. Just try them on and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite.